cafe in the morning. So I spent about 2 hours here cleaning up, so we're gonna go in and have some lunch now. Eva, what are you cooking? What are you cooking?
Dinner.
Dinner. You're having a peanut dinner?
Yeah. That's not yours yet.
I've had a really lazy morning. These planters here are looking absolutely stunning. Gorgeous. So I don't think they put a landscape cloth underneath the rockery here. I'm going to ask him. He's going to be in next week. I hope he's in when I'm here. So I didn't do much with this. I started cleaning it and I thought I saw something run that way and I abandoned it. So I still have to do this here, but I did clean this up. So this is where I spent most of the day yesterday afternoon. I think we have to somehow redirect the water that's coming down from here over to there. Because if it comes down this way, it washes out the sand. So I also did a lot of weeding here. I am thinking that we do something here to separate the sand from the soil, because I had to pull out a lot of weeds around here and they're gonna start to infiltrate the sand and I don't want to lose it. So similarly here, I may pull all this out again. Last year I only grazed it because there was just so much, but they did a good job at doing that when they cleaned up here. So I may just take the hoe to it and graze it. The garden is looking quite lovely. We've got daisies, stonecrop. I did do a little bit of gardening here yesterday. There's about 4 or 5 stones here that are lower. I'm gonna have to raise them at some point, don't know when. The bleeding heart as well is in bloom, so I don't understand. But I like it. So everything has taken quite well. I did move a little fern over here and it kind of dried up. They're very hardy, so I'm hoping that the root has taken and it'll come back. So over here we have like one bud. Deadheaded everything. The daisies, they're almost like a double, and they were from my garden, but that's not the way they look like at home. They're not double like this. Okay, this I can see is going to be an ongoing thing. The kids keep wanting to go on it to climb that rock, which I figured was going to be something they'd want to do. I am going to clear behind that hosta, and I have the little rutabaga, which is almost in bloom over there, to plant. So yeah, I have to do something about that. I don't know about that little shrub there. It's not looking too well. I do have a red maple, a little bit baby red maple at home, so I'm going to just nurture it for a little bit and see whether it would do well here. I would have to completely protect it because with the beavers, yeah, they might cut it. I don't know if they like red maple, but I'm not going to take that chance. So we get tons of honeybees over here. They love that stone crop. Love that. And the stone crop is doing quite well. That's the burgundy. That one there, I believe, is pink. And this one here is also burgundy. So they've fallen all over the place. They were really long and dangly when I got them. So they'll probably be like that this year. And the pink one here seems to be in bloom, but it doesn't look like it's going to flower anytime soon. So we did put this here for the deck, and I'm really liking it because we can move it over another 2 feet, which will give us some I'll probably just put mulch over there on that side, but that means we'll be able to keep that little tree which got slaughtered by the beaver. We're gonna have to protect it. I don't know if they only come in the spring, but yeah. So we'll have to remove this stump here. I absolutely love this triangular piece here. And then here's the driftwood that was hanging on a tree, and I touched it and it fell, and I love it here. So I'd like to put an Annabella hydrangea here, maybe some Russian sage, but I don't want something too large. I just wanted to define the area. Or maybe I'm just gonna leave it with a mulch and just leave the hostas there and see what it looks like next year. And then over here yesterday, I ended up finishing off the beach. So I cleaned up all of the stuff that was there, all the debris that I removed. There's still quite a bit that I have to remove. There were about 3 leeches over there that tried to get on my gloves. Ugh. That was the first experience with leeches for me. So the beach is looking semi-clean. This side here needs a lot of cleaning. I'm going to do a little bit more work here on the play area. Well, I'm going to go get my stuff and get ready weeding.